Tara.
1, 2,
Mm.
3,
Nasusubo ko pa mo?
Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po na? Ako'y Luis Sison.
Mark Cunanan, ning Warin Pampanga.
Ngayon po nga daw ngayon ni at kami po kaning dalan kasi papakamiya po ing bayong location na ning Chick and Claw. This is not our first time to feature Chick and Claw, ne? A lot of times may feature na lang po pero hindi pong vlog ay ni burimi pong pabalo kaya kayo na nilipat lang ang lugar.
At sila po kayong bayong location.
From their location, malapit kitang Vista Mall at iyo po kayo ni Keng Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Nung familiar kayo po kitang dating Yatu, harapan mo pong karaban nito. Away ni Keng Gulo tamo
Sige
na.
na po, AUB. Bank.
AUB Bank. Of course, mila po rin pamangan kaya kayo. Abayan nyo kami po. Tara, lungkop tamo. Ito guys, so when you go here, the usual, they're gonna give you any kanila aprons. Customized sila po rin. Chick and Claw. Next, hand gloves for protection. On our table, so we have kanilang salad. And then we have papasa. Siguro kaini.
Alige.
If I'm not mistaken, this is alige. And then we have 2 flavors of their chicken. So, yeah. Look at this, guys. Wow, wow. And then lastly, ito yung tamong Madam Caribbean boots yan. I-Chick and Claw, may itong yung karang all-time favorite restaurants tamo na feature niya. Kasi not only siguro minunala ka na itong chula ka itong first few restaurants na feature tamo, yung mumuna, kanyang mga bisara mo. Aliwa mo ito guys. Alang kalaraman, manyaman po ka lang seafood kaya Ang gangalimiya po feature, minsan talagang munta kami para mag-dine with the family. Pass the plates!
welcome to Chicken Claw.
Wabin pala. So, may itong pang reason guys, pa magbalik tamo kay ning Chick and Claw. It's their 3rd anniversary, 3rd year anniversary. Still remember kasabi nila pong mixed start king we're in Pampanga. It's also our 3rd year actually ngayong year ini. And sabi ko pin kaya kayo na din. One of the first few restaurants na feature me and alimi kalingwan nita uling mix set lang standard karing seafood kaya Yay! Isabihan mi pa mo lang rice pero
Last
yan makayama yung rice doon. Ako guys, bayo ko banatan detang karelang seafood takmantala pa rin karelang chicken. Ma'am na yung flavor ngayon din soy, nyaman na soy man. Yan may kanan soy. Ini guys yung karelang soy garlic chicken. Soy po? Soy garlic chicken. Hanapin din Kapampangan soy. May kanan. Kanan may. Legs siya may kanan.
High blood na.
So abalo mi guys, Tempa lang Wine Media, atin lang dinner out po to. Pero they can't help but to taste na. Sabi daw magpigil oningali. Manyaman talaga yung chicken ko. Can't resist, sabi namin sir. Alright, so next chicken flavor na takmanta mo kayo guys, is yung karelang sweet and spicy. Yan As always, grabe yung manu ni guys. Managkatsang nasi.
Mano kaya
At niya pa ng bala si Sir Ben, So manok na pula ya kanini guys, manok na pula.
happy ang manok na pula.
May nga ni Sir Ben, tikman na
Hindi nga pigilan.
Ako na kayo, you can't resist Chicken Claw. Next is shrimp. Sinerve da kaya kami Kenny is ating Cajun garlic crab Iba dating pasta alige. Atin mo naman yung karelang salad na. Lasang salad kanuha ng serben. Iba datin mo naman sweet and spicy chicken. Soy garlic chicken. So guys, when you go here, nung nano pong igit chickenin reta parang muna yung orderan nung Aligayo familiar.
Must try.
Must try. Then yung sinerve na po kaya kami is yung karelang
Bestseller.
bestseller. So, nakala pa po kayong karelang menu. But this one right here are your bestsellers sa must try na ito. So guys, salamat po kayong Pamanalbe. Again, budi niyo pong pabalo kaya kayo. Chick and Claw has
New place.
a new place na. It's bigger, it's better, wider na. But the taste and the experience is still the same. I-compare mo ka rin aliwang seafood, sabi mo, nano mas manyaman. Anyway, again guys, thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye!